Good afternoon, Your Honors. I am Attorney Erwin G. Matib, respectfully appearing as counsel for the prosecutors. We are ready.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Justine Lamarca, respectfully entering my appearance as counsel for the prosecutors. We are ready, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. With respect, James Brian Ibrahim Ali of Pecca Barlow, formerly Ponce Enrile Reyes and Manalastas, appearing as counsel for the prosecutors. We're ready to proceed today, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Reynaldo Robles of the law firm of Chan Robles and Associates, appearing as counsel for the prosecutors under the control and supervision of the public prosecutors. Ready, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Bettina Nepomuceno Zamora, respectfully appearing as counsel for prosecutors. We are ready.
May it please the court, Attorney Duterte, appearing as counsel and under the control and supervision of the House Panel of Prosecutors.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Benjamin Seguatoloso Jr., respectfully appearing as counsel for the prosecutors, acting under the direct control and supervision. The prosecution is ready, Your Honors.
No other entry of appearances? That's it? How many in all, Representative Luistro? 11 on the part of the House insofar as the panel of prosecutors is concerned, and?
We understand, Your Honor, that only 13 private prosecutors entered their appearance today. Nevertheless, Your Honor, as manifested by the Honorable Jokno, a written entry of appearance has been filed already with the Honorable Impeachment Court.
Nevertheless, as they appear or will be participating in the trial, kindly inform them to enter their formal appearance during the trial.
Your Honor, the entire 15 private prosecutors have filed already their written entry of appearance with the Impeachment Court. The articles of impeachment will be presented by 4 separate teams, Your Honor, and that explains why the House prosecutors or the panel of prosecutors are joined by 15 private prosecutors, Your Honor.
Noted.